Hello students, good afternoon or good day. Everybody, hi to your mom and dad. Today we are going to continue our studying. Okay, so welcome to our online class. Please be ready and get your book. Color color green or sky blue. Yes, maybe. Okay, so this is your smile workbook. Okay, so we are going to use your workbook, this color, for your lesson. Okay, so be ready and get your pen because you are going to write. Okay, so turn your book, student workbook, to page number 35. Okay, page 35. So we are now in page 35, lesson 1. Okay, look at the pictures. So this is the snake. Okay, so there are many animals. Now these letters are scrambled letters. Okay, scrambled letters. So you have to interchange or you have to unscramble to make it correct spelling. So this is the correct spelling, okay? N-A-E-S-K. So the correct spelling is snake. Okay, next. Animal, what animal is it? It's a tiger. So this is the answer of these letters. And then this animal, E-L-G-E-A. It's an eagle. Okay. Okay, next animal, it's an elephant. Okay, elephant. Okay, write the spelling elephant inside the box. Okay, next animal, dolphin. Okay, this is the spelling of dolphin. Okay, please write inside the box of your book. And the last animal is zebra. So write the spelling of zebra inside the box. Okay, so please follow the picture or the videos. Okay, now we are now in number 2. What animal is it? Okay, what animal is it? Read and guess. So there's an answer here. I provided the answer. Okay, number 1, it can climb trees. It eats fruit. So what animal? It's a monkey. So you have to write monkey. Number 2, it hasn't got any legs. It's long. So what animal? It's a snake. Okay, right, snake. Number 3, it's got black and white stripes. It's zebra. So write the answer here. Number 4, it's a big cat. It's orange or brown. So what animal? It's a tiger. And number 5, it's brown with dark brown spots. It's got a long neck. So the animal is giraffe. Okay, so please write the answers. Okay, next one, number 3, and we are done our lesson. Number 3, complete the sentences. Use the words in the box. So this is the box, and there are words: taller, shorter, bigger, smaller. Number 1, an elephant is bigger. So this word copy here, bigger than a zebra. Number 2, a bat is smaller than an eagle. Smaller here, smaller, copy here. And number 3, a giraffe is taller than a rhino. So taller, copy here. Number 4, a zebra is shorter than a giraffe. So shorter, copy here. Okay, so that's your lesson for this week. Okay, for your homework this week. So homework in English, lesson number 1, answer workbook at page 35. So after you answer page 35, you have to take a photo and send it to Line. Okay, so this is in English and this is the Thai translation. Okay, thank you students, thank you grade 4 for listening and for attending your class. Good job everybody, great job. Okay, bye bye.